Hi guys. I want to take a couple of minutes and show you guys how to get into NewsELA. I know many of you know how, but more importantly, what to do once you're in NewsELA. So first of all, you're going to access NewsELA through Clever. And once you're in Clever, your page is going to look a little different than this. You're going to click on my page that says Mrs. Kane. And then you'll notice an icon, it's blue and white, it says NewsELA, and you're going to click on that. From there, you're going to see your assignments. Now, it's important to understand that your assignments are articles that have been assigned to you from any of your teachers. So it's important to pay attention to teacher and name when you go to look for assignments that I have assigned you. And when you scroll, you're going to notice many different articles that have been assigned to you. So one thing I want you to make sure you have done is you've taken the quiz for the articles that are assigned to you. There was one on texting, there was one on elephants, animals talking to each other, there was one on virtual learning, and then last week, Shakespeare. So I'm going to go into the Shakespeare article and talk about that assignment. You will notice that there are instructions. And if you read the instructions, it tells you to annotate 4 details that explain what William Shakespeare is known for. So to get into the article, you're going to click on it. And here is the article. Now, one thing I want you to realize is that your article, the words or the way it's worded, may be a little different than what I have here in this video because your article is assigned by your reading level. So the vocab and the way sentences are structured is a little different from article to article, but everyone's focus is Shakespeare. So with that, I'm going to show you how to annotate. Remember, our focus is to find details that tells us what Shakespeare is known for. So as I read, I notice that he is someone who wrote plays. So I'm going to highlight that section. And you highlight by clicking on it, and you just move the mouse over or you drag over, and you'll see it highlight. And you can choose a color that you would like to use to do the highlighting, and then it will become a certain color and it's there. And you have the opportunity to add notes as well. So you'll see when I highlight, I can go over here and choose a color, and I'm going to choose this color, and you'll see that it changes. And what that does is it lets me know that you understand what details support the idea of what Shakespeare is known for. You also have the opportunity to write something in here. So I could write something like, he wrote plays. And then you could hit saved, and that means that I will see that you made a comment on this detail. Making a comment is not mandatory, but highlighting 4 details or annotating 4 details in the text that is part of your overall grade. Okay, so the next thing is I want you to pay attention to the Activities tab. When you click on Activities, you're going to notice a write and a quiz. For the Shakespeare article, you are supposed to do both. You're supposed to click on quiz and answer each question. There are 4 questions to answer. Be mindful that I can see how long you are in the quiz and how long you take to take the quiz. So it's important that you are going back and trying to find proof in the article that supports the answers to each of your questions. Secondly, you click on write, your prompt will be there. So once you click on write, make sure you click on Kane and you will see the prompt. Right below the prompt, you can type in your answer. Remember, it's important to answer the question and also support your answer using text evidence from the article Shakespeare. Happy writing!